Hello children, welcome to the world of Science Explorica. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashri and we are going to get into the world of science. अब आपको पता है आपके आसपास जो भी चीज़ें होती है, whatever is there, whether it is natural, whether it is man-made, everything has science behind it, okay, and there is a reason why it has been made, and most of the things are made because of scientific reasons and using scientific formulas and requirements. So बच्चों, जैसे कि जब हम science पढ़ेंगे, we will come to know कि why things are happening around us, why is the nature in a particular manner, what does it do for us. So many different questions that keep bothering you all the time. उन सारे questions के जवाब आपको मिलेंगे when we get into all these chapters, and your knowledge is going to get enhanced. Basically आपको समझेगा कि क्यों चीज़ें होती है. So let's explore all the chapters and learn them in order to understand the science behind everything, and let's explore it quickly. Unit 2, Animal World, Chapter 3, Wild Animals. So बच्चों, अब हम मूव करेंगे एक नए कैटेगरी की तरफ. ओके, सो वी ऑल नो दैट देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो एक हो गया द प्लांट कैटेगरी, सेकेंड आ गया था एनिमल कैटेगरी, एंड थर्ड इज द ह्यूमन कैटेगरी. So we are going to move to the next category, which is the animal world, okay, and discover this world of wild animals in this chapter. So what our learning goal is going to be? We are going to talk about the animals in the jungle, animals in water, birds, insects, food habits of animals, and extinct and endangered animals. Okay, तो ये सारे topics हम इस chapter में cover करने वाले. But before we start, okay, let's get into this fun activity. You have to identify who I am. I am a big animal having big ears and a trunk. Who am I? Yes, that's an elephant. I am a big animal. I eat both plants and animals. I like honey. कौन से animal को honey अच्छा लगता है? याद करो बल्लू. Yes, bear. I have a very long neck and I like to eat green leaves. I am a giraffe. I have black and white stripes on my body. Who am I? That's a zebra. Okay, so many animals, they live freely in nature. Okay, like plants, animals also live on land as well as in water. Okay, some animals like dogs and cats can be kept at home while some live in jungle. So अलग-अलग किस्म के animals हमें देखने को मिलते हैं in the nature, okay, in the surroundings, in the environment. Okay, so ये जो animals होते हैं, there are certain animals जो land वाले होते हैं and certain animals also live in water. Okay, so animals जो है जैसे कि dogs, cats and all, we can also keep them at home as a pet. Okay, whereas some animals, they live only in the jungle and it is not safe for them to wander around in the cities, okay, because cities or in the in the area of people living, because they can be really dangerous. So let's talk about the animals that live in the jungle. Wild animals live in jungles or forest. They find their own food. They can also be seen in the zoo. Some of the wild animals are very big, while others are very small. Look at the pictures of the animals given on the next page and tell which animals are big and which are small. So wild animals जो होते हैं वो they are the ones जिनको हम domesticate नहीं कर सकते या pet बना के नहीं रख सकते. Okay, so they live in jungles या forest. Okay, that's their home. Okay, and these animals, they find their own food. Okay, some of them, they eat grass. Okay, some of them eat the flesh of other animals. Some animals eat the dead and decayed animals. Okay, so अलग-अलग animals अपने अलग-अलग category के हिसाब से खाना अपना खुद का ढूंढ लेते. So in animals को हम लोग देखना ही है, तो instead of going to this jungle, we prefer going to the zoo. Okay, where they are kept in the enclosures and we are safe from them. So, some of the wild animals are very big, however, some wild animals they are very small also. So, let us look at the pictures which are there on the next page and see which are big animals and which are small animals. So, you have to tell lion, elephant and giraffe. In तीनों में are they big or small? Okay, so they are big animals. Okay, lion, elephant, giraffe are big. Bear, tiger and rabbit. So, इसमें bear and tiger they are big animals, whereas rabbit is a small animal. Mongoose, monkey and squirrel. Are they big or small? They are all small animals. Okay. Just like we feel safe in our own house, okay, animals also have their own houses or shelters where they feel safe, okay, and protected. So, let us talk about the shelters of wild animals. So, wild animals live in different kinds of home. They try to find a place where they can be safe from enemies. जैसे वो हम लोग अपने घर में रह के खुद को enemies से बचाते हैं या फिर weather conditions से बचाते हैं या from other things, you know. So, the similar manner animals भी खुद को enemies से बचाते हैं because they find their own food, okay. So, they have to be safe from their enemies. So, they also make their own shelters, okay, to protect themselves from unfavorable weather conditions also. So, animals जो है दूसरे enemies से बचाने के लिए, अपने enemies से अपने आप को बचाने के लिए, unfavorable weather conditions में खुद को बचाने के लिए, and in order to protect their eggs or their babies, they build their own shelters. वो खुद का अपना shelter बनाते हैं जहाँ पे they are safe. जैसे कि हम safe रहते हैं हमारे घरों में. So, some animals they make their own shelter, while many other live in natural shelters like caves or holes in the trees. So, कोई animals जो है वो खुद का shelter खुद बनाते हैं, okay? They build their own house, okay? However, there are other animals who cannot do that. They use the natural shelters, like they live in a cave या फिर tree के अंदर जो holes होते हैं उसके अंदर वो रहते हैं. So, bears जो है they live in caves. Lions या fox जो होते हैं वो dens में रहते हैं, okay. So, dens are also like you know it's like a covering a shelter which has a rock covered, rock के अंदर होता है, okay. So, that is how they protect themselves from the enemies or unfavorable conditions, alright. So, animals like snakes, rabbits, rats and moles, they live in holes in the ground. These holes they are known as burrows. So, जैसे snakes, rabbits, rats, moles जो होते हैं वो hole के अंदर रहते हैं, ground के अंदर, okay? अब ये hole जो होते हैं उनको कहलाते हैं burrows. Animals like monkeys, elephants and gorilla, they wander in the forest. Some animals like monkey, they rest on trees while many others like elephant rest under the tree. So, बहुत से animals ऐसे भी है जो पेड़ का सहारा लेते हैं, okay? जैसे monkey हो गया, elephant हो गया, gorilla हो गया, okay? You know, giraffe, you will find them near the tree. जैसे monkeys, they sit on the tree, they jump from one tree to another. Elephants जो है वो tree के नीचे खड़े रहते हैं, giraffe tree के नीचे खड़े रहते हैं, okay? So, this is how the trees give them shelter, that becomes their house. So, check yourself, let us do a quick check. Where do the following animals live? Monkey, tree. Lion, den. Snakes, hole. Rabbit also in a burrow, okay, or hole. Pigeon, it lives in a nest, it builds its own nest. Bears, they live in caves. Now, let us talk about the next category, which is the animals that live in water. A large number of animals live in or near water. These are known as aquatic animals. For example, fish, crab, crocodile and frog, they live in or near a water body like river, lake and pond. So बहुत से एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जो पानी के अंदर या पानी के पास रहते हैं. इन एनिमल्स को क्या कहता है? एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स. एग्जाम्पल है फिश, क्रैब, crocodile, frog. Okay, so they either live in or they live near the water body. Okay, so fish, it lives only in water. Crab, crocodile, frog, they do come to the surface, okay, and they go back into the water also. Okay, so generally you'll find these near the rivers, lakes and ponds. All right. Fun fact, a frog, it can live both on land as well as in water. Frog की body जो होती है ऐसे बनाई जाती है. Frog is also known as an amphibian because it can survive on land as well as in water. Many other animals like shark, whale, octopus and a variety of fishes, they live in seas and oceans. Okay, shark, whale, octopus, अलग-अलग किस्म के fish आपको मिलेंगे in the seas या फिर in the oceans. Fun fact, the blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Okay, so the largest animal in the world है blue whale. It's really very huge. Let's do a quick check again. Check yourself. Fill in the blanks. Fish, crab and frog live in or near land or water. They live near water. Okay. Shark and whale live in seas and forest or oceans. It is oceans. So let's look at the next category, which is the category of birds. Okay. So where do birds live? Birds कहाँ रहते हैं? Generally आप देखोगे birds ज़्यादा कर तो trees पे रहते हैं. But there are certain birds which also live near the houses. Okay. So birds which have wings. Okay. Birds have wings which help them to fly. So they generally live on land or in trees. So because of the wings they are able to fly. तो वो trees पे भी जाके बैठते या फिर land में रहते. So they generally build nest for themselves. However, some birds also live in holes or in spaces between the rocks. So ऐसे भी birds है जो tree के अंदर holes में hole बना के रहते हैं या फिर जो rocks होते हैं उसके space जो होते हैं gap जो होते हैं उसके बीच में they make their own nest. Okay. Some birds like duck, swan and stork, they live in or near the water. So birds like duck, swan, stork वो पानी के अंदर या पानी के आसपास ही रहते हैं. So birds they move from one place to another by flying in the air. So the wings that the birds have वो उनको help करते हैं in order to fly from one place to another. So what are the food habits of birds? Most of the birds like sparrow, pigeon and crow, they feed on seeds, fruits, worms and insects. Some birds like eagle, hawk and owl kill and eat small animals. So ज़्यादा करके जो birds होते हैं जैसे sparrow, pigeon, crow, ये seeds पे भी जिंदा रह सकते हैं. Okay, seeds हो गए, fruits हो गए, worms हो गए, insects हो गए, ये सब चीज़ें खाते हैं. There are birds like eagle, hawk, owl, ये दूसरे animals को kill करके they eat them. Alright. Insects. So insects we can find them everywhere. Okay, trees पे, in the bushes, in the soil, in water and even in our home. हम अपने घरों में भी insects हमें मिलते हैं जैसे चींटी हो गई या मक्खी हो गई. So what are these? These are insects. Okay, spider हो गया. So you will find them everywhere. Bushes में, soil में, water में. Okay, house flies, butterflies, honeybees, mosquitoes, ladybugs, spiders. There are a few insects to name. Okay, जो हम we see them in and around our homes. So what are the food habits of insects? So ये insects खाते क्या है? Okay, some insects जैसे कि grasshopper हो गया, caterpillar हो गया, they eat the leaves of plants. So grasshopper, caterpillar plants के leaves को खाते हैं. Okay, some insects जैसे कि ladybug, wasp and dragonfly, they eat other insects. So ladybug, wasp and dragonfly जो होते हैं वो दूसरे insects को खाते हैं, दूसरे कीड़े मकोड़े खाते हैं. Okay, insects lice and mosquito, they suck the blood of other animals. Okay, so lice हो गए जिसको हम हिंदी में जू कहते हैं, या फिर मस्कीटोज हो गए, वो दूसरे एनिमल्स के या ह्यूमंस का ब्लड सक करके दे लिव ऑन दैट. बटरफ्लाई एंड हनी बी, दे सक द नेक्टर ऑफ फ्लावर्स. सो बटरफ्लाई हो गया, हनी बी हो गया, आप देखोगे ये फूलों पे मंडराते रहते हैं. ओके, एंड दे सक द नेक्टर ऑफ दीज फ्लावर्स. सो फ्लावर्स का जो जूस होता है उसको सक करते हैं. Now house flies, they suck in the juices of fruits, garbage and vegetables. हाउस फ्लाई जो होते हैं यू जनरली फाइंड देम नियर द फ्रूट्स, या जहाँ पे कूड़ा करकट होता है या फिर जहाँ पे सब्जियाँ होती है वहाँ पे वो मंडराते रहते हैं. एंड देन दे सक द जूसेस फ्रॉम ऑल दीज डिफरेंट फ्रूट्स, गार्बेजेस एंड वेजिटेबल्स. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ tickle your brain and tell us which is the heaviest bird on the earth. Okay, so we know that the largest animal was the blue whale. Okay, so you have to tell us which is the heaviest bird on the earth now. So let's talk about the food habits of animals. So different animals have different food habits. Based on their food habits, we can classify them as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. So अलग-अलग animals के अलग-अलग खाने की आदतें होती है. Okay, so they eat different types of food. Okay, and based on that we can divide them into different categories like herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. So let's talk about herbivores first. So herby में आता है word herb. Okay, herb means greens. Okay, so some animals eat grass, leaves and green plants. Okay, so they are called plant eating animals, या फिर उनको बोलते हैं हम लोग herbivores, because ये खाते हैं सिर्फ grass, leaves या दूसरे plants को जो green plants होते हैं. Elephant, giraffe, hippopotamus, zebra, monkey, they are such animals. Alright, they are herbivores. They do not eat the meat or flesh of other animals. So now you have to do an activity. You have to explore. Using tracing paper, draw a zebra with the help of an adult. Okay, cut small stripes of black paper and paste the stripes on the drawing and make the eye. Your zebra is ready. So आपको एक tracing paper लेना है, आपको zebra की drawing उस पे ट्रेस करनी है और उसमें ब्लैक पेपर लगाना है, स्ट्राइप्स बनाने. ओके, सो वंस यू मेक ऑल दी स्ट्राइप्स और एक आँख आप बनाओगे तो आपका ज़ीब्रा रेडी हो जाएगा. ओके, let's look at a fun fact now. Elephant, it is the biggest herbivore. It can eat up to 170 kilograms of leaves and grass every day. So elephant एक ऐसा animal है which is a herbivore, although it is so huge. Okay, it can eat up to 170 kilograms of leaves and grass every day. So that's its diet. The next category is of the carnivores. Okay, now there are animals that eat the flesh of other animals. ये दूसरे animals का flesh खाते हैं. Okay, so these animals are known as the flesh eating animals, या फिर उनको carnivores कहते हैं. Now these animals, they kill the other animals and eat their flesh. Lion, fox, wolf and crocodile. Okay, there are some such examples of such type of animals. तो ये दूसरे animals को खाते हैं. Okay, as food, and that is why they are known as flesh eating animals या फिर carnivores. Omnivores, animals like bear and crow, they eat both plants and animals. These animals are called omnivores. So bear या फिर crow जो है, they are such animals जो plants भी खाते हैं, okay, and जो animals को भी खाते हैं. So that is why they are known as omnivores. Then you have scavengers. Now these are animals that eat the flesh of dead animals. ये जो मरे हुए animals होते हैं उनको खाते हैं, उनका flesh खाते हैं. Okay, such animals they are known as scavengers. Okay, vulture, wild dog, hyena and jackal. Okay, there are some such animals. They help us in keeping the jungle clean because जो डेड एनिमल है, जो कार्निवोर्स ने खा के छोड़े हैं, वो जो बच जाता है उसका वो खा लेते हैं ये स्कैवेंजर्स. इसकी वजह से जंगल साफ हो जाता है. So now tickle your brain and what would happen if there were no scavengers on the earth? अगर scavengers नहीं होते तो इस earth का क्या हाल हो जाता? You have to tell us about that. So for that you need to tickle your brain first. So think about it and tell. So let's do a quick check. Take the correct option. Birds dash help them to fly. Feathers, wings or claws, it's the wings. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called herbivores, carnivores or omnivores. They are carnivores. Dash is not a carnivore. Fox, zebra or crocodile, okay, it is the zebra. Omnivores eat plants or animals. They eat both plants as well as animals. Omnivores eat plants, animals or both plants and animals. It is C, both plants and animals. Scavengers eat grass, dead animals or other animals. Dead animals, B. So now let's talk about the animals जो इस धरती से कभी भी गायब हो सकते. मतलब they are the number of them is so small कि slowly and gradually they will not be there on the surface of the earth. Okay, there are certain animals which have already been considered as the animals which no longer exist on the surface of earth. So let's talk about the extinct and endangered animals. So a large number of wild animals live in jungles. Okay, they depend on plants for their food and shelter directly or indirectly. So when we cut down trees, the animals lose their homes. Thus, it is important to stop cutting the trees, okay, and we must save our forest. So, बहुत से wild animals जो है, they are totally dependent on the jungle or the forest or the trees that are there, okay, and they get उनको अपना फूड मिलता है वहाँ से, उनको शेल्टर मिलती है वहाँ से. सो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली दे आर ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑन द फॉरेस्ट. अगर हम ये फॉरेस्ट में जो ट्रीज़ है उनको कट डाउन कर देंगे, ओके, वी स्टार्ट कटिंग डाउन द ट्रीज, तो दीज एनिमल्स विल नॉट हैव देयर होम, दे विल नॉट हैव देयर सेफ प्लेस, दे विल नॉट हैव फूड. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम लोग इन फॉरेस्ट को बचाएं एंड वी स्टॉप द कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज़. So many animals and birds earlier lived but are now no longer found on the earth. They are called extinct animals. For example, dinosaurs lived on the earth hundreds of thousands years ago and now are extinct. Okay, some animals are found in very large, very small number. Some animals are in danger of getting extinct. Such animals are called endangered animals. For example, panda and tiger are endangered animals. These animals require special attention and care. So, बहुत से animals and birds ऐसे हैं जो पहले earth पे exist करते थे, but now they are no longer found on the surface of the earth. Okay, so these animals, इनको हम कहते हैं extinct animals. जैसे dinosaurs. Okay, पहले dinosaurs exist करते थे hundreds and thousands of years ago, but now they are extinct. They are no more there. So some animals you will find they are in a very small number, okay, and there is a chance that if they are not taken care of, okay, they will die, okay, and once they die there is a chance that you will no longer find them on earth. Okay, so ऐसे ही danger category में आता है panda and tiger. So for that, in order to take care that these animals do not get extinct, okay, so endangered animals के लिए we should not hunt or kill animals for pleasure. In many countries, if someone hunts or kills animals like tiger, elephant and rhinoceros for their skins, tusk or horns, they are punished. So, सबसे पहले तो hunting या poaching of animals has to be stopped, okay? And ऐसे भी बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ है जिनका जो लॉ होता है वो बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है और ऐसे हंटर्स को ओके या फिर जो एनिमल्स को मारते हैं उनके स्किन के लिए, टस्क के लिए, हॉर्न्स के लिए, दे गेट अ वेरी बिग पनिशमेंट फॉर दैट. ओके, let's talk about conservation of wildlife. So, how can we preserve this wildlife? How can we take care of these animals? Okay. So, forests are the natural homes of wild animals. They become homeless when we cut down the forest. We must protect our forest. Besides, we must not pollute the water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans because many animals live in them too. Recently, many wildlife sanctuaries have been set up by the government for the protection of wildlife. So, wildlife का conservation के लिए it is very important कि हम लोग trees को, forest को cut down नहीं करना चाहिए, okay? वरना ये animals homeless हो जाएंगे, okay? We have to protect the forest. Apart from that, water bodies को जो pollute हो रहे हैं, we should stop that pollution of water bodies also, okay? Ponds, lakes, rivers, okay, seas, oceans, इनमें काफ़ी सारे animals, you know, they go to drink water, but if the water is polluted, it is contaminated, they also fall victim to that and they die, okay. So, recently बहुत सारे wildlife sanctuaries set up किए गए by the government जहाँ पे इस wildlife animals को या wildlife को प्रोटेक्ट किया जा रहा है, ओके. सो इट इज़ ओनली फॉर द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एंड यू विल सी दैट देयर आर फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर्स एंड ऑल हु ensure that no crime happens against these animals. So, let's do a quick check, okay. Fill in the blanks. Animals which are no longer found on the earth are called extinct animals. We must pollute or protect our forest, we must protect our forest. Alright, so let's do a quick recap of this chapter now. Let's do a quick recap. Animals. So, animals live in jungle, okay. These animals can be big animal like elephant, giraffe, bear, etc. Or they can be small animal like mongoose, rabbit, squirrel, etc. Then you have animals which live in water. Fish, they live in all the water bodies. Crab, crocodile, frog, they live near the shore. Okay, they don't live in water, but they live near the shore. They do live in water, they can go and come from the water, okay. So, the food habits. Plant eating animals are known as herbivores. Flesh eating animals are known as carnivores. Animals, the animals that eat both plants and animals, they are known as omnivores. The animals that eat dead animals, they are known as scavengers. Extinct and endangered animal में आते हैं dinosaur which is extinct, tiger, rhinoceros which are in the endangered category. We also spoke about birds. Birds live in nest and holes or holes. They fly in the air. They eat seeds, fruits or worms, and some birds eat small insects. So, some birds eat small animals. Let us talk about insects now. Insects, they live everywhere. They eat leaves. Example are ladybug, wasp and dragonfly. They suck blood, okay, like mosquito, lice. and they drink nectar of flowers like butterfly. Alright, so children, quickly revise the chapter. We need to do the exercises now. Assessment time. A, choose the correct option. The dash is a wild animal. Cat, dog or lion? It's the lion. The dash lives in caves. Monkey, bear or elephant? Bear. The dash lives in a hole. Lion, fox or rabbit? Rabbit. The dash is a plant-eating animal. Elephant, bear or snake? Elephant. The dash helps to keep the jungle clean by eating dead animals. Jackal, deer or rabbit? It is the jackal. B, true or false? Wild animals cannot live in our homes. True. Deer is a wild animal. True. A mole lives in a hole. True. Crow is an omnivore. True. Birds move from one place to another by flying in the air. Absolutely true. Fill in the blanks. A lion lives in a den. Birds build nest for themselves. Okay. The herbivores, they eat grass, leaves and green plants. Jackal and hyena are scavengers. The government has formed wildlife sanctuaries to protect wild animals. Match the column A with B. Vulture is a scavenger. Giraffe is a herbivore. Fox is a carnivore. Bear is an omnivore and panda is in the endangered species. Answer the following. So, this you have to write in your own words कि birds nest क्यों बनाते हैं. Animals को which animals okay are known as omnivores, आपको उनके नाम बताने हैं किसी भी दो के. Scavengers कैसे useful है वो बताना है and how do we conserve the wildlife is what you have to tell us. Think and tell. Okay. अगर pet animals jungle पहुँच गए. Okay, what if the pet animals reach the jungle? What will happen to them? Okay, have you seen animals in a circus show? Are they pet animals? Is it correct to keep them in cages? क्या आपने कभी circus देखने गए हो? वहाँ पे क्या आप देखते हो कि ये pet animals है या do you think it is right to keep them in the cages? Okay, you have to tell us. Fun time. You have to draw and color the picture of a carnivore. किसी भी carnivore का picture बनाना है, उसको color करना है. Second is you have to visit a zoo with your parents and then describe about it in 8 to 10 sentences. So छुट्टियों में zoo चले जाओ और उसके बारे में आपको बाद में लिखना है. Alright, but before you do all these exercises, okay, you need to complete your reading the chapter and revision and then finish the chapter exercises and then get on to the activity. Alright. So, I hope children you have enjoyed learning this chapter as much as I have enjoyed teaching it to you. So, बच्चों I hope कि आपको सब reasons पता चल चुके हैं कि क्यों चीज़ें हो रही हैं, okay? और इसके behind का scientific reason क्या है. And I am sure that you are going to share this knowledge, whatever you are learning, with others as well, and also, you know, not assume things but understand things, because जब हम लोग assume करते तब हम गलतियाँ करते. जब हम उसको understand करते, उसके behind जो भी formulas है या उसके behind जो भी scientific reasons है उन्हें हम समझते हैं, तब हमारा knowledge और ज़्यादा बढ़ता है and then we think in the right direction. So now children, quickly revise the chapter and complete whatever activities and exercises are there. Alright, get going.